Enchanting Eyes, where almost every week we will be bringing you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. I know it's been a hot minute, but I got married, yay! And we've been busy. Kaylee went to Cannes, I hope I'm saying that right. Basically she went to France for a whole film festival thing. So, but we are back and ready to get into our weekly videos. Okay, so when Kaylee went to France, she did a Sephora haul. Yay, I'm so excited. And I sent her a list of things and she got stuff for me and for herself. And I'm going to show you what we get because let's just not beat around the bush. I got the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I'm dying. I haven't played with this. I haven't done swatches. I haven't done anything. So this will be the first time on camera. And I'm so excited. I've been wanting this palette for so long now. Okay, and then I know I am so far behind with this, but I'm so excited to get about this palette. To get this palette. So I finally got the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm so excited because I'm just living for the colors and the pigment and they just blend so nicely. And then I got the just excuse my voice, I'm a bit sick at the moment. I got the soft glam palette. But Kaylee did her best to like protect it and like, you know, love it and care for it on the way back here in her bag, but unfortunately it took a bit of a beating. So I'm too scared to hold it up straight. So I don't know how much, I don't think you can really see on camera, but a few of the colors got a bit bashed up, but I just pressed them down and I think they're gonna be okay. And then Kaylee got the Sugar Glow kit from ABH. I just love this packaging so much. And here are the colors. Ooh. But they're all like, there's 2 duochrome and then 2 of the other ones. And they're just so reflective for what I saw the swatches on Kaylee. So I'm super keen to try this. We got the limited edition. Limited edition tattoo liner from Kat Von D. Oh, it's Kaylee saying it's the 10th anniversary liner, so this one is the gold packaging. And then Kaylee got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which Kaylee is a super mascara junkie. Anyway, oh, but I was just so surprised about how heavy it feels. Anyway, yeah, this is just so nice. And then she picked up, which now I'm like, why didn't I do that? That was stupid. But she got the Kat Von D, yeah, Everlasting Liquid Lipsticks, and this one is in the shade Bow and Arrow, which is like a super cute nude shade, and so I'm really keen to try this out later. And then Kaylee got an ABH highlighting brush. So I'm so excited to get in and try all of these and just have a play because I haven't been wearing makeup all week. Well, I've just been wearing basics, so I'm keen to just get like a full face of makeup on. And let's get into it.
3 hours later.
Okay, so this is the final look, and overall I'm so happy with all my purchases, which makes Kaylee so sad that she didn't get all the palettes. So from the Huda Beauty palette, I loved the matte colors. They were so pigmented. They blended out so nicely. The only downfall was I found that the shimmer, I used it with a brush and it sort of went everywhere, and then I used it with my finger and it was really nice. But for someone like me who has deep set eyes and these claws over here, like super long nails, I found that I couldn't quite get to the back of my eye, so I had to use a tiny brush with setting spray, and then that worked out quite nice. But then I found that the color slowly was fading, so then I added the shimmers from the Modern Renaissance palette on top, and then that's how I got the super shimmery color in the front, and it added, like, it looked so nice. So that's the only downfall. I'm going to play around with the rest of the shimmers and see how it goes. But I love the color combinations. I'm living for this packaging. Helps if I put it the right way around. It's got a huge mirror, and yeah, no regrets about this palette so far. I'm like so keen to just play with it and get to know it and become best friends. Alright, for my Glam Glow palette, like I said, a lot of people can say it's very similar to the Modern Renaissance, but I feel like this has more shades of browns, cool tone, and more warmer colors. And I don't have a lot of browns, I have a lot of pinks, purples, reds, but like my brown shade range, not so much. So I'm super happy with this, and I used the dark red color, which was so pigmented and just blended out so nicely. So I really love that. Oh, and might I add also, I used the black and it was so black, like proper true black. And I find with black shades sometimes you put them on, super pigmented, and then you go to blend it out and everything just sort of fades away. But this one, not at all. Like, it really just held its own and just stayed put, and so I really like that. I feel like it's a bit stupid to be talking about this because everybody already knows how awesome it is. But I'm so keen to just say that I can own it and I have my own little modern renaissance baby because it is so nice. I love letter. I've got that all on my crease and above it. I love the color. The pigment is insane. It blends out nicely. All the colors are just best friends and they just like blend so nicely together. The transition colors were really nice. I love the bright oranges. Let's compare Kaylee's. Okay, mine is new to the family. Kaylee's is that rebel teenager that they're waiting to kick out the house. Can we just see how used and abused this palette is? It's like finished. And then there's mine that's like all fresh and oh, let's point something out. Look at the color of this. Look at the color of Kaylee's. Anyway, I just thought that was interesting. The glow kits. Do I need to say more? Like, I'm really loving that. Like, I think I should have got me one of those. But definitely, when I go to the UK and Amsterdam, I'm gonna get a glow kit. Oh, just ate a lot of Chinese. Poor life decisions were made. So I'm definitely gonna get myself a glow kit. I just feel like it's very smooth and not chunky at all. Like, once I put setting spray on, like Kaylee said, I feel like it all just melted in together and it looks very smooth and not chunky and blinding, but it just blends. Like, sometimes you really want a blinding highlight, but then you just feel like it's not really like friends with the rest of your face. So I'm really loving that, so thumbs up for me. This is some good shit right there. I am loving this. Like, it's so hard. Like, me and the next epic ink liner, like till death do us part. Like, I love that. I've repurchased that a few times. But this is like, it's similar. Like, it's very it's not wet like the next one, but it's black. The tip is so precise. It goes exactly where you want it to. This is a child-friendly channel. And I just feel like it was so precise for a wing. Like, it just, I like the edge of it to be super sharp, and it really did that. And it was black, and it didn't, you didn't have to like pull your eye out just to like get some coverage. So I love this, and the packaging, I just love this. It's so iconic, I feel. The mascara, it's just so heavy. Like, it just feels like quality, you know. I like things that are like really heavy. Almost said and thick. This is going south, folks. Literally. Okay, but I really liked it, and I'm not a mascara person at all. I feel like all mascara is good, and if it's not, I'm just gonna add lashes. Like, but this is really good. I feel like, I don't know how much you can see here, but I found like it was really lengthening, and I'm really into like sort of like clumpy mascaras that just make it super black. But this, maybe I just never had a really good mascara before, so I didn't know. But this is so good. I feel like my lashes are just, you know, going on for days. So I really like this. And then for the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lip, I feel like the color is very different for me. Like, I normally go, I don't like pinky Barbie colors because it doesn't, I feel like it doesn't suit me. So I do like more browny, reddy, like berry colors. So this is different for me, but it's really growing on me. I just added a little bit of the Amore Shine in the center for like a little bit of an ombre. But
Milani?
What did I say? I said Milani.
Amani.
Mine. You see, the pros of having lights is you can film anytime, but what you don't account for is that your brain goes. I added some of the Milani Amore Shine in the shade Charming in the center for a bit more of an ombre lip. But the color is really growing me. I think it's something really different. It feels so lightweight. It doesn't feel chunky. It doesn't feel drying. It doesn't feel like I can, you know, feel everything here. Just feels like this is part of my natural look. Definitely thumbs up from me. That's my final thoughts. You're welcome. But I love this video. I love trying new makeup. I feel like that was like a big high-end haul for us. Kaylee says when she did the calculations, what I bought, what she bought, she think it was worth about 6,000 rand. So that's quite a lot to spend on makeup for us, okay? I'm not Jeffree Star, so I don't just, you know, hand it out. And I'm just so super keen with the stuff we got. Like, no regrets, you know, when you build something up in your head, like, oh, it's international, like, but it's gonna be, and then you think it's gonna be amazing, and it was. Like, it lived up to everything. So I'm so excited of all the looks that I can create, and I'm gonna spend so much time in my makeup room just playing. If you have any suggestions of new content and videos you'd like to see, hit us a comment below. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with all your loved ones. Spread the cruelty-free love and go cruelty-free. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.